Thomas here with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be reviewing how to change your mud cups and how to bring your rods up. For the passenger side, you're going to find your quarter turn valve near your lower four-way valve. Sometimes they're up near the accumulator bottle. Now that you have your rod up, you're going to have 4 M16 bolts. You're going to remove these 4. You're going to hit your mud cup this way into the material cylinder. That way you'll be able to remove your dog bone. And then once that's out, you can pull your mud cup out. I like to use a 4x4 block and a pry bar. Once your mud cup is out, we clean all the inside of the material cylinder with no concrete. We'll clean the concrete off of your dog bone. Grease all around your mud cup. Grease all the inside of your material cylinder. Put your mud cup back into the material cylinder. Put your dog bone back in. All these will be torqued to 165 foot-pounds with blue Loctite. Once you have your mud cup reassembled and torqued, you're going to want to open that valve that you closed. Coming to the driver's side valve, it'll be at the top of your pumping cylinder. This one will be locked with a 7mm bolt. You'll need a 7mm wrench to unlock it and turn that valve. Once you have that bolt loose and unlocked, you're going to want to flip this valve up. Now that you have your valve at the top driver's side open, we're going to come back to the water box and you're going to do the same thing you did on the other side with the same valve to lock the driver's side up. We're going to stroke the cylinder. And then when the driver's side is coming up, we're going to open that valve, which brings your rod all the way up to give you room to service your mud cup. Once both of your mud cups are reinstalled and everything is torqued, before putting your drain back in, it's nice to ensure that your water box drain is not plugged. It's easy enough to get a pressure washer in there or pick it out. Once that's clear, we're going to put this back in and that'll lock in and slide back down. And then you'll reinstall your cover and put your water box cover back on. If you guys have any more questions about mud cups, feel free to give our service team a call.